Welcome. I'm going to show you how to edit the JPEG version of the double-sided business card mockup in Pixlr. So just go to pixlr.com in any web browser and then click the Pixlr X Quick and Easy Design button. And then we'll click Open Image to open the mockup off the computer. And then just find the JPEG one you want to use. It'll ask us if we want to size it down. We'll just click Original and then click Apply to open the original size. And then to open your design, just click the little icon on the left-hand side. That's a square with diagonal lines that says Add Element Image when you hover over it. And then click Add Media, browse your own files. And then find your design off the computer. And then just click and drag any of the four corners to resize it. And if you wanted to, you could change the blend mode here. You just click this little three-dot icon in the upper right-hand corner of the layer thumbnail. It'll open up a layer menu, and this menu under blend mode that currently says none, if you click on that, you can change it to multiply. And that'll knock out a white background and make it look more natural if your original design has a white background. And you could repeat the same steps for the back side of the card. Just go to Add Media again, and then find your design, and then click and drag the four corners to resize it. And then click the three-dot icon to open the layer menu. Click the menu under blend mode and change none to multiply if you want. And that's all there is to adding your design to the JPEG version of the double-sided business card mockup in Pixlr. To save it, you just want to click this Save button at the bottom. It'll give you a few options. If you're going to use this as a thumbnail online, I'd save a version as a JPEG. I change the quality to 100, leave it on high, and then just click Save As. We'll just click the X to close that. If you wanted to save a layered Pixlr document, you can come back here and click the Save button a second time. And then just click PXC. I'd probably toggle on the non-destructive part so you get all the benefits of the layers. And then just click Save As. Please message me at melissabmockups.com if you have any questions. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you get updates to future videos. And as always, this mockup and other mockups are available at melissabmockups.com. Thank you.